want to get it too close to that side. So basically I have two rags. I don't know what you guys will be using. Before and after. And we use isopropyl. Put it on the rag. Now I'll get some caps set up. You can see that they have the part number on one side.
Machine engraved, looks like.
That's the side that goes up. We want to be able to read that part number.
Yep.
We're going to change that on the assembly. So we're going to change that the part number of the plate is on the bottom and the part number of the assembly is on top.
Yeah,
Okay.
that makes sense.
So for this instance, we're going to be capping, we call them north side, because half the magnets, well, 6 of them on a unit
Yeah.
go north,
And then half
and the other
goes
ones
south.
will cap on this side. Okay. We're going to start off with the norths. So we'll just clean it. Put it in my fixture. You can see that it's pinned on this side and this side. That's why it hugs it tight.
Okay.
And while that's drying, I'll clean the bottom surface of that plate off. Typically, you wear gloves.
Scalpel. We gotta start doing this. You know, Mike automatically reaches for the MEK for this kind of thing, and we only need to be using isopropyl or
Can we use
something
Loctite
less.
331?
Okay. Alright. Nice with ponder.
And you just want to put a couple.
And we'll be calling out the adhesive.
And then we use the adhesive, which is this.
The activator stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the great little applicator.
What's this side? You want to close this
Okay.
because if it's too exposed, it's very, you see it's already.
Oh yeah.
So just put a thin sheen on the outside.
Oh, look at that. That's such a cool applicator.
Yeah, so you can see the gleam in it.
Yeah.
It's on there, but it's not too much.
Alright, I think I want to flip to the other side so I can see if that's alright. So the activator side is down, right?
Yes. You take it out. It's gonna go in here.
Don't have much time to leave there.
No, it cures in about 30 to 40 seconds.
Wow.
Now, if I was to leave that Loctite on there, it would stay wet for a day.
Okay.
Once you add the activator to it, 30 seconds. Now, as long as that's not moving, sometimes it'll actually push away.